Characteristic vocal techniques and ornamentations in Sean-Nós singing. If you're curious about the unique vocal techniques and ornamentations in Sean-Nós singing, you're about to uncover some fascinating aspects of this traditional Irish singing style. Sean-Nós singing is known for its rich, unaccompanied melodies, and one of the key features is its extensive use of ornamentation. This ornamentation can be melismatic or intervallic. Melismatic ornamentation involves using auxiliary notes to decorate or replace the main notes of the melody, often creating a highly florid line, especially in the connacht style. Another technique is intervallic ornamentation, where the interval between two notes is replaced by a different interval or a series of stepwise notes to fill the gap. These ornaments are not just decorative, they also serve to connect the text to the singer's interpretation of the melody and enhance the musical continuity. One of the distinctive vocal techniques in Sean-Nós is the use of glottal stops. A glottal stop is the sudden stopping of the flow of air in the throat, leading to the abrupt ending of a note. This technique is used to emphasize the previous or next note, adding a unique rhythmic feel to the song. Nasalization is another characteristic feature. Many Sean-Nós singers produce a nasal tone, known as the nea, which is reminiscent of the drone of the uilleann pipes. This nasal quality helps singers maintain pitch and adds a rich, textured sound to the performance. It's believed that this nasal tone may have originated from attempts to reproduce the sound of the uilleann pipes. Sean-Nós singing also involves a lot of rhythmic freedom. Singers extend words and phrases at their discretion, regulated by a pulse, or quezle, that corresponds to the poetic meter of the song. This pulse is often synchronized with the singer's heartbeat, creating a palpable musical life force that connects the singer's soul to the music's rhythm. The voice placement and singing zones are vital in Sean-Nós. Singers traverse different melodic registers, creating a vocal map of emotions and textures. Mastering this technique involves crafting vocal timbres and shades, positioning the voice in various resonant zones depending on the song's narrative and emotional needs. Sean-Nós singers rarely use vibrato. Instead, they opt for a thin, clear tone. This lack of vibrato and the use of nasal tones contribute to the unique sound of Sean-Nós singing. In terms of performance, Sean-Nós singers often use long extended phrases, especially in sad songs. They draw breath after conjunctions or linking words rather than at the end of a phrase, which adds to the emotional impact of the song. The interaction between the performer and the audience is also a crucial aspect. Listeners may participate by offering words of encouragement or holding the singer's hand to support them in the rhythm of the song. This interactive element makes the performance more immersive and engaging. These techniques and ornamentations combined create the distinctive and expressive sound of Sean-Nós singing, a true reflection of Ireland's rich musical heritage.